Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I had someone question and they sent me, and I've already erased their file, so I can't reduplicate it. But I just kind of redrew this. Let's say you've got this contoured and you do not want this little shape right in here. You'd rather it just be gone, but it's not touching, so you can't just virtual segment delete key it. So what you can do, let's zoom in here. Tell you what, let's X out our contour window. Unless there's a node right there, and we're going to add a node right there just by double clicking. Now there's three nodes here. I'm going to delete all three of them. I'm going to hit the delete key, and you can see you get this hoop. Well, then all you have to do is take these two nodes, left click your mouse, and you can see curve. It's a curve because it's grayed out, but you can hit align, and that took out that hoop. So you can use that in a lot of different situations. In there again, I hit that. You could put these two to a curve, and then you could delete that little jig, and it would be a better looking product. So anyway, anytime you get a whoop-de-doo, put what I call an anchor point. Let's just back up and do that again. So it's a pretty neat exercise. So you've got these nodes. You would just put two anchor points where you want it to kind of connect. And matter of fact, there was kind of my mistake. I need to take this node and just kind of move it up more even. Then there are three nodes up here. Let's just delete them, hit the delete key, and then take these two nodes, left click, and make it into a line. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.